Dearly beloved, we meet here today to witness the sacred ceremony, the union of Dakota and Killian. With great reverence, we come together to celebrate the love and devotion shared by these two children of God that stand before us. We are especially blessed to be joined today by family and friends. The groom and bride are honored you could be here to participate in this important occasion. As the Bible reminds us in Corinthians, if I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have faith that can move mountains, but do not have love, I am nothing. Okay, Dakota and Killian, I invite you to express your sacred vows to one another. And face each other and declare these vows before God in the presence of your family and friends. Dakota, I, Dakota, take you, Killian.
I, Dakota, take you, Killian.
To be my lawfully wedded wife.
To be my lawfully wedded wife.
I promise to keep you by my side.
Promise to keep you by my side.
Through good times and bad.
Through good times and bad.
For richer or for poor.
For richer and poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and health.
I vow to stay true to you.
Vow to stay true to you.
Honor you and love you.
Honor you and love you.
For the rest of my days.
For the rest of my days.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us apart.
Killian. I, Killian, take you, Dakota.
I, Killian, take you, Dakota.
To be my lawfully wedded husband.
To be my lawfully wedded husband.
I promise to keep you by my side through good times and bad.
I promise to... Can you repeat that?
I promise to keep you by my side through good times and bad.
I promise to keep you by my side through good times and bad.
For richer or poor.
For richer or poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I vow to stay true to you.
I vow to stay true to you.
Honor you and love you.
Honor you and love you.
For the rest of my days until death do us part.
For the rest of my days till death do us part.
Dakota, do you take Killian to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Do you promise to support her completely and love her unconditionally so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Killian, under the eyes of God, do you take Dakota to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Do you promise to support him completely and love him unconditionally so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Okay, let's go on. Do we have the rings? Dakota, you're going to go first. Just please repeat after me. I, Dakota, give you, Killian, this ring.
I, Dakota, give you, Killian, this ring.
As a symbol of my love, commitment.
As a symbol of my love and commitment.
And the eternal vows we have made today to each other.
And eternal vows we made
today.
What? We made today.
To each other.
To each other.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
I'm going to place the ring. Killian. I, Killian, give you, Dakota.
I, Killian, give you, Dakota.
This ring is a symbol of my love.
This ring as a symbol of my
commitment and in the eternal vows.
Commitment and the eternal vows.
We make today to each other.
We make today to each other.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed. Think it'll be yours.
By the power invested in me by the state of Louisiana and the parish of Calcasieu, I pronounce you, Dakota and Killian, as husband and wife, lawfully wedded here before God. Dakota, you may kiss your bride. The singles for the...
Do y'all want one by one or y'all want all of them?
You just hand them one by one if you don't mind.
Give them to Nanny. Good job.
Wait, we're supposed to wait?
Give them a flower, and you come back over this way. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor that I officially present to you Mr. and Mrs. Harrington.
with your baby girl? You have to, yes. Baby, don't cry.
Three little pigs have done built up their homes, and the wolf has been chased from the door. And little Bo Peep has done found all her sheep, and now she ain't lonely no more. And the monsters ain't under your bed. It's time to lay down your head, but baby, don't cry. You're never alone. When you need your dad, just pick up the phone and I'll fly as fast as I can, and I'm holding you, and I'll make you smile again. Baby, don't cry. The princess is waiting for the prince to ride in and scare all the dragons. But she's stuck in that castle. Close your eyes, drift off to that fairy tale. So pretend I'm right there, yours.
Killian and Dakota, I wish you all the happiness in the world, and I hope that y'all will be together forever. Much love, Acela.
Try not to go to bed mad. Try to keep laughing. Laughter helps everything, even when you're mad. When you're mad at each other, try to make the other person laugh, and then they stop being mad at you. Right?
Hey, Miss Killian. Hi, Dakota. Uncle John and I love you very much. We hope you have a great life. We're rooting for you.
Killian, we love you. We're real proud of you. You did real good. Say hey, Killian. Say we love you.
Did you see I put
Hey y'all. I hope you don't mind. Congratulations. You don't mind. And y'all read my tip on y'all's registry.
I love you, and y'all are gonna last forever.
Best thing I say is, I hope y'all tear each other up like cat and dogs. Have a good time.
First night anyway.
Oh yeah.
Oh, cheese.
Cheese.
There's my advice.
Cheese.
You want to say something, Killian?
Yeah.
What?
I'm Italian. Say I love you.
Say I love
you.
Good luck. Be happy.
Never go to bed angry.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Always rub feet.
Always rub feet.
Even if you're angry, rub feet.
That'll do it.